How to turn on sleep mode on Instagram. Let's begin with the video. To begin, launch the Instagram app on your device. Next, tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner to go to your profile. Then click the three horizontal lines icon at the top right corner. From the menu, select your activity. After that, scroll down to how you use Instagram section. Here, select time spent. Now tap on sleep mode. To turn on sleep mode on Instagram, simply toggle the switch to on position. Next, select your preferred start and end time to set when the sleep mode should automatically turn on and off. Then choose the days of the week when you want the sleep mode to be active. Finally, hit save to confirm and apply your changes. Sleep mode will now automatically activate during your chosen times, and that's all. You have successfully turned on sleep mode on Instagram.